As a manufacturer, you need to exchange product data with your commercial partners. With the ETIM classification and the BMEcat format, you can classify all articles in a product family according to a standard that is recognized in your industry. In this video, we will show you how you can map your products to the features and values within an ETIM class and let all this come together in your PIM system. On the ETIM website, you can search for a specific product class and discover the linked features and values. Now let's have a look at how you can map the ETIM information to your articles in your PIM system. As you can see, our test project is currently empty, and we haven't set up any specific class in the class manager. If you click on Modules, ETIM Import, you open a specific module. In just a few clicks, you will set up a new mapping, and you can start the import process. Click on New Class Rule to map your file to an ETIM class. In the next steps, you will map each feature of the class to your product information. At each of these steps, the search tool helps you find the corresponding references fast and easily. You can repeat the process for each feature of the class. For features with alphanumeric values, you can also map value rules. We will show you here how to map specific color values, for example. If the product information you want to import is not perfectly mapped to ETIM class information, you can apply other rule types than a match rule. Let's take the example of a field that contains a specific code that refers to a feature. For example, the letter C in the article code refers to round products, and the letter R refers to rectangular products. Select the rule type Contains and type C for input. Your mapping rule for the feature will only take the articles with the letter C in them into account for the import. These additional rule types can be applied for alphanumeric or for logical features, as shown in this example. Once you've set up all mapping rules for a specific class, you can import the articles and product information to your PIM system. The import process happens in the background, and you can perform other tasks while the import is running. Now, let's have a look at our record details after this import. You can see that a number of new records have been created, and if you check the class manager, you will notice that a completely new class has been created during the import process. Once your articles have been created, you will notice that a new tab is available in the class manager, BMEcat. Under that tab, you can link specific fields to the BMEcat exports that you need. Icons indicate which fields are required for BMEcat. Information pop-ups help you define which fields should be linked at each step. Complete the mapping across all tabs and save your mapping before you go back to your records. If the BMEcat information is incomplete, fill in the missing details manually or through a standard import. After this step, you are ready to perform an export of your product information in BMEcat format. The export module contains pre-formatted export options for installed data and 2BA. Other options can be configured for specific exports. The result is a file that contains all product information in BMEcat format. You can read the content using standard available tools. This is in a nutshell how you can map your product information against an ETIM class and export it in BMEcat format. Let us know your ETIM challenge, and we'll be happy to help.